My name is Dr. Wale Ponle from Real Estate Connect. We have received a lot of questions from you about Alexandra Court, and today we are here to answer as much as possible from those questions that you sent in. And here with me is...
My name is Blessed Amyoliman. I'm actually the company secretary and legal advisor for Grande Properties Development Company Limited, the main developer for Alexandra Court Coastal City.
It's nice to have you here, Barrister Blessing.
Same here.
So I'm going to start with the first question on this list. What is the official name of the estate? The official name of the estate.
The official name for the estate is called Alexandra Court Coastal City.
Alexandra Court Coastal City. That's for record purpose. Now, the next question is, what infrastructure and amenities are expected within the estate?
Okay, there are several infrastructures that will be affixed in the said estate. Number one is good road network.
Oh, that's good.
We all know that it's very good for an estate to have good road network.
Yes.
Good drainage system.
Oh, that's good.
Sewage treatment plants, water treatment plants. So we want to ensure that the water in the estate is drinkable. Children playground.
Wow.
Which will include sporting centers.
Okay.
As much as AstroTurf football pitch, basketball courts, lawn tennis courts. We'll be having about 2 to 3 swimming pool in the estate. We'll be having police station in the estate.
That's for security.
For security purpose. We'll be having health center in the said estate, including shopping mall. And lots more.
Oh, that's a good one. So for some of our clients who have children, you're saying that even on weekends, they probably don't have to stress themselves going out of the estate to, find recreation and fun for their children.
Exactly, because everything you're looking for is provided for.
Oh, that's a good one.
We are building a city, and a very smart city for that matter.
So thank you very much, Barrister Blessing. So, can you please share with us some of the notable landmarks surrounding this estate, and what title does Alexandra Court Estate possess?
Okay, thank you very much. Alexandra Court Coastal City is specifically located at Igando Oloja, just behind Ibeju Lekki Local Government secretariat.
Yeah.
We have Gracias Morganite, we have Pan Atlantic University, we have Imen Estate. All these are sharing proximity with the estate in view.
So what about the title that the Alexandra Court possesses?
Alexandra Court Coastal City is covered with a government allocated CFO, which is registered as number 55 at page 55 in volume 2022E. And it is issued in the name of the developer, which is Grande Properties Development Company Limited.
So when is the delivery time for Alexandra Court, and what's the proposed allocation period for clients who choose to subscribe right now?
Okay, so the delivery period itself is broken down into batches because we are building 5,000 housing units.
Wow.
So, and we requisite infrastructure. For this particular year alone, we decided that we are going to deliver at least 500,000 units.
Oh, that's
from
good.
The said 5,000.
That's good.
So by the end of this year, which is December 2024, we should be delivering 500 from the said 5,000. So what it means is that allocation will be done for the first 500 subscribers, and then that allocation will be done within September, October.
So will Alexandra Court be delivered fully finished?
Exactly. We are not delivering shell units to the subscribers. Our goal is to give them a home that is fully finished, that they will be able to enjoy.
Wow, that's a very, very good one. Now, this next question is very, very important to a lot of our clients, and it's about refund. What's the refund policy for Alexandra, considering the various forms of payment that is available, the outright, the mortgage one, and all of that. So what's the refund policy?
Okay, regarding the refund policy itself, one of the things that we do is that we try as much as possible to refund the total payment that is made by a subscriber less 10%. Less 10%. That 10% is deemed as administrative fees.
Okay, that's
so. And also, before the money will be transferred back to the subscriber, they must have gotten another would-be subscriber who is ready to take that particular unit.
That is in a case where the client is the one that is indicating to get an interest, refund rather.
Exactly.
So this particular question is very important to all of our subscribers. They want to know at what point are they going to get their keys, both for those who are subscribing using the rent-to-own mortgage plan, and those who are using the payment plan, the 0 to 12-month payment plan, and 24-month. At what point are they going to get their keys? Especially the mortgage clients are saying whether they will get their keys even after just paying the 30%. So there's been a lot of confusion about at what point it is that the keys will be handed over to them.
Okay, thank you very much. Keys will actually be handed over to subscribers generally upon completion of payments.
Good.
100% payments.
Okay.
So for those who are doing outright payments, once you have finished making your payment itself, upon completion of the said property itself, the keys will be handed over to you, which means you now have full possession of your property
Good.
itself. So if you are doing instrumental payments, let's say a 12-month payment plan, or you are doing a 24-month payment plan itself, upon the payment of the last milestone, which now makes it 100% payment, you take full possession, and the property has been completed, you take full possession of the said property. Now, coming down to the rent to own itself, the moment you pay the 30% of the total purchase price and the 70% loan is duly approved by the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria, once the property is completed, you take full possession, your keys is handed over to you.
I'm sure that puts to rest a lot of questions about at what point do you get your keys, because it's really important. From the moment I subscribe to a property, I have a picture in my head that I'm getting the keys, either very soon or someday. So that's a very, very good one. Now, this question is about the mortgage payments. Now, people want to know if, first, number one, how do they apply for the mortgage? Number two is there an age bracket that is only entitled to get this mortgage? Then, of course, still on mortgage, is it also available for entrepreneurs and not just salary earners?
Okay, thank you very much. The rent-to-own payment scheme, I would like to give a background, and then I'll answer every of the questions. The rent-to-own payment scheme is actually instituted by the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria. And the reason for that particular establishment is solely to ensure that persons who are interested in purchasing properties are able to access mortgage loans in order to purchase the said property. And this only means that a subscriber will only pay 30% of the total purchase price, while the Federal Mortgage Bank will pay 70% of the total purchase price, and the subscriber, upon taking possession of the said property, when the property is completed by the developer, the subscriber will then start repaying the mortgage loan sum to the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria within a 30 years duration, depending on the current age of the subscriber. So what do I mean by that? The rule is that the retirement age of the subscriber is when the subscriber is expected to stop repayment or to have finished paying for the said property. So if the subscriber is 30 years of age, we expect that within 30 years, that is from 30 to 60, he ought to have repaid the entire mortgage loan sum plus the interest rate.
That means, that's applicable if the retirement age is 60 years.
Exactly.
All right. Now, the next question, still on mortgage, is that can entrepreneurs also leverage this as an opportunity to own an apartment at Alexandra Court?
Fantastic. Entrepreneurs can also key into this. It's available for both those who are earning salaries and business owners. So what the business owner needs to do, first of all, is to request both the business owner and the salary earner is to fill the requisite application form.
Okay.
After filling the application form, send it to the head office, who will issue an offer letter, makes the 10% deposit plus the 180,000 naira that he's expected to pay as 6 months payments for 6 months contribution, NHF contribution.
Sorry to cut you. So you mean that 180,000 naira was meant to have been a contribution of like 30,000 every month for 6 months?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So now, once they get the form and they're submitting it, they then have to submit with that 180,000 naira payments. But what's the guarantee that the FMBN loan will be approved for them?
The guarantee, first of all, is that we've done it for other persons. A lot of cooperatives have already started benefiting from this, including individuals.
Oh, that's good.
And the duration for approval is within 30 to 60 days.
That's a good one.
The duration for approval is within 30 to 60 days, provided the subscriber provides all the necessary documents.
That's good. That's good.
Once the documents are provided and duly vetted, all the documents will be forwarded to the Federal Mortgage Bank of Nigeria, and within 30